I'm Grant Cruz here in our mobile command center in Sulphur, Louisiana. You know, a big part of doing our job is being able to constantly share information with our resources back in Texas. From status updates to tracking incoming storms, getting the lights back on is all about communication.
It's a little nerve-wracking, but for the most part, you gotta, be comfortable with the uncomfortable and just get the work done.
When spending time with OBED Martinez, I doubt anyone would describe him as seeming uncomfortable in his role. In fact, being able to keep cool under pressure probably has a lot to do with why this telecom tech lead is now on his 4th mutual assistance trip with Oncor.
It is a little hectic just because your computer is your job, your computer is what they need to get the work orders going.
That's putting it mildly. Power lines aren't the only things that come down in a hurricane. They destroy satellite dishes and cell phone towers. When Oncor sends crews to a disaster area, folks like OBED are some of the first ones in, bringing servers, routers, modems, everything our people require to get the materials where they are needed, and track what's coming in and out.
You've got mass confusion, you've got, it's hard to get intel of what actually you're dealing with till you get good intel coming back from the field.
Construction project lead Lance HOLIMAN was another one of Oncor's first people to arrive in Lake Charles. In many areas, the lines and wires we need to replace were thrown several hundred yards from where they were originally standing. So Lance uses Google Earth and examines satellite photos from before the storm. They show where the towers need to go, how close they are to homes, and areas with enough clearance for our crews to work safely. Oncor employees always put safety first. Richard Hill has his checklist to make sure everyone around us is doing the same.
First thing that I try to do is make contact with your local sheriff's department. You find out where the nearest emergency room is. What do? You find out if the 911 system's still up.
Hill is in charge of Oncor's private security team, but he also maintains a close relationship with local law enforcement. Traffic control and coordination with people like Lieutenant Jake CAUVIN keep our people safe. The lieutenant says it's hard to express the gratitude his community feels for the first responders from Oncor. While hurricanes may not typically threaten the cities and towns where our customers live, he hopes they understand how important Oncor's help is to our coastal neighbors in times of emergency.
It's easy to sit on the mountaintop and look down at the valley, but unless you're in the valley, you can't appreciate the mountaintop. So I hope they never go through that, but if they ever did, I would hope that our local energy company is up there helping them too.